This tiny printer prints faster than some industrial machines. But is it worth the trade-offs for your projects? Here's what you get. A1 Mini Plus LED lamp kit for creative light projects. Bring your ideas to life with the included LED lamp kit. Simply print compatible lamp models and turn your 3D creations into functional decorative lights. Perfect for DIY projects, room decor, and personalized gifts. The perfect 3D printer for beginners. A1 Mini 3D printer is designed to make 3D printing easy from day one with automatic calibration, simple setup, and a smooth printing experience that lets you focus on creating instead of troubleshooting. And experience the Bambu Lab ecosystem. Access MakerWorld's huge library of ready-to-print models, manage prints through the Bambu Handy app, and enjoy a connected ecosystem designed to make 3D printing easier, smarter, and more enjoyable. The A1 Mini can print at up to 500 millimeters per second with a flow rate that rivals much larger printers. In our tests, a standard Benchy printed in under 40 minutes with excellent surface finish and no visible layer lines. That's nearly half the time of a Creality Ender 3v3 SE, and the quality is on par with printers twice its price. Full auto calibration is a game changer. The printer handles bed leveling, nozzle cleaning, and flow calibration automatically. You just load the filament and hit print. No manual knob twisting or paper leveling. This is a huge time saver for beginners and reduces print failures significantly compared to traditional budget printers. At 48 dB during normal printing, it's whisper quiet. You can run it overnight in a bedroom without disturbance. The stepper drivers are smooth and the fan noise is minimal. Most competitors at this price, like the Anycubic Cobra 2, are noticeably louder, making the A1 Mini ideal for shared spaces. The optional AMS Lite adds 4 filament spools and enables multicolor prints without manual swapping. It's compact and sits on top of the printer, making it easy to use. However, it's an extra €159, and the filament path can be finicky with brittle materials like some silks. Bambu Studio software is polished and includes presets for many filaments, plus a mobile app for remote monitoring and control. The built-in camera allows time-lapse recording, and the printer's ecosystem is seamless. This beginner-friendly experience is unmatched by budget competitors like the Creality Ender series. The 180 by 180 by 180 millimeters build volume is limiting. You can't print full-size helmets or large functional parts. For the same price, you can get a Creality Ender 3v3 SE with 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters or an Anycubic Cobra 2 with 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters. If you plan to print larger objects, this is a deal breaker. Bambu Lab locks you into their filament profiles for best results, and replacement parts like hot-ends and build plates are only from Bambu. This limits your choices and can increase long-term costs. Open-source competitors offer more flexibility and cheaper third-party parts. While multicolor is cool, the AMS Lite adds significant cost, €159, and requires careful filament routing. It's also not compatible with all filaments. TPU and some abrasives are problematic. For occasional multicolor prints, manual swapping might be more economical. The open design means printing high-temperature materials like ABS or ASA is difficult without additional enclosures. The printer also lacks a heated chamber, so warping is common with engineering filaments. If you need to print in advanced materials, look at enclosed options like the Cheetah Tech X Plus or Creality K1. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is an excellent choice for beginners and enthusiasts who value speed, ease of use, and quiet operation. But its small build volume and proprietary ecosystem may be limiting for advanced users. If you can live with the size, it's one of the best sub-Euro 300 printers. Check the link in the description for the best price on the Bambu Lab A1 Mini and the optional AMS Lite.